I'd like to show you my room. I'm staying here at Harrah. This is the card and we're going in right now. I'm on the 20th floor. My room is 20014 and this is how the room looks like, okay? Tapping in. Okay, as you enter, this is how it is. It's pretty modern in here. If you're with your mates, you can book the door next door and you could have connection. Here you go. This is the restroom. Let's see the restroom. The lights are here. Yeah, big mirror, and you see there's a light over here which you can see yourself clearly. I've always liked mirrors with lights on the side. Modern setup. You see the faucet, modern design. You have your facial bar and your body lotion, and that's all they give. The towels are this one. It's not that much, but I only booked for one, so I'm not sure if you book for more, you get more towels. And this is their piece of art. It's kind of modern. Everything here is modern. It's abstract. This is their shower. You see, it's rain shower, which is actually great. And here you have your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. So probably not, if you don't have the disposable one, you can take it home, unfortunately. I haven't tested it out. Maybe I'll try to smell it. It smells good. It smells fruity. So probably not for the men. I'm allergic to most body wash, so I don't know if I should use this. I'll probably use my own soap for that, since I don't know what's in it and they didn't say it. I like this door. This door is nice. It's a sliding door. And it's modern design. Look at it. Slide over there. It's pretty cool. And you have here your full-length mirror. Hello. From head to toe, so you can see yourself. There's a small cabinet right across it. It's not a big space, but it's enough. I mean, unless you live here, so it won't be enough, but it's enough for a few days. And this is the bed. You can have a king size, queen size option, but they said like this is like the nicer room, so I have like a queen size bed, 2 queen size bed right here. And yes, the bed is not like the most comfy. I would just like to say that it's comfortable, but it's not the most comfy. But the pillow, I really love the pillows. So if you're a pillow person, this is your hotel. I always enjoy lamps like this. On and off, it's pretty easy. You have your basic telephone. And this is another mirror. You can light it up. There you go. There you go, it's not light. And this is your beauty mirror, I guess so. And you have your table right there. Pretty neat, huh? And this is flat screen TV, LG. I haven't tried it out. Remote control. They give you 2 bottles of water right there. And then they give you a bunch of magazines. I haven't looked at this. Harrah is right beside Link, so that would be nice to check out later on. Okay, you have a bunch cabinet here. Oh, it's like it's push and it slides down. You have the Bible. It's good to have space always. That's what I always say. And this is my working table. They have 1 USB connection. Only one, but I have like several stuff. So, I don't know. I have like my laptop, my iPad, and like my phone charger. This is their coffee. Coffee maker. Let's see. This is the kind of coffee. It's not Keurig in my experience. Like coffee like this doesn't really taste good. But I cannot be the judge of that. I'll find out later if it's good. White chair. I like that. Very good design. Very modern. You have your modern art right there. You have another big mirror right here. Hi! So I like it. And this is their lamp, floor lamp, and it's easy to turn it on. You could just step on it on and off. That's pretty easy. This is my view right here at night. I'm in the Valley Tower. Again, the span of my room, this is how it looks like. So that's it. That's Harrah's Las Vegas for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.